Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a silver-haired female by Gatago Focus, and another of a girl in a school uniform by Maru Mashumaru, a fantasy tavern music pack by Chris Gruchak's composer, an adventure game where you explore a city with your dog and solve the crime of who exactly stole your beard. An MZ plugin by Tar Spider that gives us more control on customizing enemy drops. Next, we have a series of MZ plugins by HUUZIN, a plugin that pixelates the screen and limits colors, a plugin that animates cursor movement between selections, a plugin that animates the opening and closing of windows and menus, a plugin that keeps the camera a few tiles in front of the player, a real-time battle system where everyone can attack simultaneously, a plugin that allows customizing when exactly the damage is displayed during the attack animation, and lastly, a tileset of a decorative candle holder by Gothic Void. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.